smash it. And
Sir,
then
pwede
add
ba
it,
mag-video dito? Hindi.
yes,
Okay
of
naman.
course. So these are old traditions. Okay, so usually,
ganda.
yeah.
I
So
bought
this
something
was
like
practice.
maliit lang sa Davao.
Oh,
Yung ano, yung nilalagyan namin ng dory.
Pero
shell. Parang dory sa amin, nilalagyan ng dory.
shell na tapos dinidikdik siya and then they would cut it and then shape it. So this is centuries old practice. Yeah.
Patugaya sir, mga
Yeah, yes. Nasa ano.
Patugaya, oh.
Kasama kayo sa kayo,
yes.
sir, tapos makamakalis pa kayo kasi yung gusto. Yes.
Oh, kilala ko yung artist doon.
Oh,
Yung gumagawa ng ano, chess ba? Yung chess na ano.
meron din.
But you have to understand this. Before nagkaroon ng Luzon and Visayas, Mindanao was already doing a trading. And that's why Mindanao was not part of Luzon and Visayas, even during Spanish period. So, even during the
Not
Spanish
just with the
period,
Chinese, but even the neighboring Asian countries.
yes, not only with Chinese. Actually, generally, makikita mo sa Southeast Asia, there was already trading, there was bilateral, multilateral diplomatic relationship. In fact, one of the Sultanate Sulu was buried in China because we are considered to be patron to the Chinese. So makikita natin yung influence ng China. In fact, Islam came through China before reaching Southeast Asia. Sorry, ako pang correct. So, yung design niya. So generally, pag tinambang ang Southeast Asia, there are three major civilizations. You have the Buddhist and Islamic civilization as well as the ano yung tatlo? Islamic, Buddhist, Hinduism, yes. Hinduism, yeah.
But this one is wood.
Yeah, this one is
China
wood.
is earthenware, right?
Yeah.
So hindi na,
Pero yung design, you could see there's a dragon.
Dragon.
sa
Mm-mm.
kangaroo.
So, makikita na we'll just do you later o makikita natin yung design ng mga houses. For example, that one, we call that panlo. This one is where they put
Lakko. Or sabi ko konti.
Lakko.
ano laki?
Lakko.
Lakab.
Call it lakko.
Ayan.
Container.
Yeah.
Tobacco.
Tobacco, and now they put coins, but it still
Yes.
exists.
Wow, ah.
Yeah. So this is ukir is also Chinese influence. Oo. So this is-
Drum.
Yes, we call it tabo.
Tabo.
So in the olden days, there were no microphones, so this was used to call prayer.
Gathering.
When there's
Yes,
an
gathering.
important gathering. So yung, I think walang malaki dito, but this is a mini tax.
Pero hindi sa musical instrument.
It
From
can be
speaker.
also, but more it's used for like a public announcement gathering.
Tabo means in our language also it means together.
Yeah,
To meet,
yes,
together,
yes,
gather.
oo. So for example, pag may mga
Tabo.
sultanate,
Tabuan, oo.
enrollment, even it was used for prayer because back then there was no microphone, so
Yes,
ginagamit
yes,
siya. So it was part of the daily, like like when you call for a meeting, then we use this. And the small one is for the instrument.
Instrument used for playing.
Bakan, when you use it for kulintang. So you notice with the particular Badokir, because since the influence of Islam came, it prohibited any human or animal figures because it's bawal sa Islam. Because the idea is like you should not be replicating alive because that's only for Allah's or God's work in that sense. Yeah.
Very interesting house.
This is the Turugan.
Turugan.
Actually, actually, the real replica of the royal house was there.
Royal House.
Actually, kasi ito, pag dumasyan ito, parang di tayo.
Thailand.
But us, Maranao, this is our royal house.
Ito.
Yes.
Royal house.
The royal house. Actually, this is the first built house. By Sarit Kayo Maksho. Oh yes, nasira na. Pero yung the
Colonel,
six pillars,
taga-asa ganit ka? Taga-saan po kayo?
Pasig.
Pasig.
Antipolo.
Antipolo.
Simulon Island.
Ngayon, marunong na mag... Hindi pa, hindi pa.
Bisaya.
Ay, Bisaya. Pa rin.
Gamay ra.
Gamay ra. Pasig.
Ko diri
Until you go to the China.
last na na-assign ko dito 2006 to 2010.
Okay.
bumalik ako ng 2013 to
So that's what they
2015
say.
sa Maguindanao naman.
6 tapos 13, 15.
Yung
Maguindanao.
2006 to 2010. Ayan, Ulo, Basilan, sa mga sila.
Wow, Mindanao pala talaga ang assignment ko. Ako taga Sambuanga, Sibugay, Ipil.
Doon ako nag-company commander eh. Sa
Ganun, pero missionary ako, China matagal, bumalik 2016, Malate Church, Manila, 2022 dito naman sa Cagayan de Oro.
Doon ako sa may Sanito. Dito Ipil, doon naka-base yung company.
So Colonel Flores sa Ipil din pala sa dito.
There's one here also.
Kaya naikot ko yung Seyful SD, yung Baligian, Sibugay, Siokon.
Syokon, Triple S, Syokon, Sibugay. Ano yung una?
Baligian,
Baligyan, BSS.
Triple SND.
Triple S. Very good. Dito tayo mag-record ng history.
Golden Pagoda.
Where all the bad spirit came. Yes. But us, dyan po kami nagbabawas ng kasalanan.
So ito yung sinabi na natin.
We call it Panolo.
This is also a dragon. And
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, the influence of Chinese.
Because Islam does not prohibit what do you call this acculturation.
Yes.
And that's why you will see that some of the traditions were incorporated in Islam as long as it does not go against Islam. Because in Islam there's a tolerance, there's the diversity. And they recognize that because during the golden age in Islam, Christianity and the Jewish were allowed to practice their religion. So, but that's another history pagdating sa Middle East. How Middle East again, you know. So you see the layers of civilization and influence of.
So this also dragon, right?
Yes, in sa Panulong, yeah.
Di ba yung dulo ng Chris is also designed like that?
Yes.
Dragon inspired din yung
Because Southeast Asia, there are three major civilizations, yung Christianity, Islam, and Hinduism.
Hinduism, yes.
So, ang Southeast Asia is a repository of different...
Diverse, very diverse din.
Torogan.
Yeah.
Royal House. Actually, dati marami talagang malalaking bahay. But without this Panolo, it's just this. It's not a Turugan.
Not a turugan.
Okay.
So pag turugan, royal.
Yes.
Ganun ba?
Tapos,
Pag may nakita kang
Royal yan.
Panolo.
Panolong.
So usually din, ito rin, is a separate
Yes.
siya. This is where they
Separate
put
house.
the princess.
Sa ano?
Liamin. Yeah.
Paano?
They remove the stairs.
Yes, sir.
Oo. Because liamin means to be kept in to be safeguard or Rapunzel ang dating niya kasi precious. That was
The princess.
yes, the princess, yeah.
So if they need to deliver her
Food,
food,
yes, they go,
everything.
yes, everything, yeah. So the princess is kept, they cannot see the princess. And then later on after she get married, she
Yes.
moves into the...
Dito sa Maguindanao.
yeah, yeah.
Actually, I think one of the women lamin was in Binidaya. The lamin of the sister of Ali de Mapuro.
Sister of Ali de Mapuro.
In Binidaya.
Binidaya. Saan sa malapit Sultanaga de Mapuro? Hindi.
Parang malapit lang.
Malapit lang siguro.
Dito talaga ginagawa yung mga drums.
So you
Sa Patugaya,
prayer, yes.
Nakahang siya, ganyan talaga yung ano.
Nakahan siya.
baka madaanan yung Patugaya, no?
Makakadaan talaga sila sa Tugay.
Makadaan.
Punta sila tayo.
Punta sila sa...
Okay.
So where you going after this?
Actually, hindi ko familiar ano yung
Ba't bahala na si Colonel?
Colonel. Basta pupunta daw kami ng heaven din.
Yeah.
Yes.
So before, historically, before Christianity came, there was already a rich reservoir of civilization that existed. But it was the Spaniards who called the Muslims in the south Moro, meaning to say barbaric and civilized. So for the Muslims and even the indigenous people, they find that offensive because they already have civilization. They're into writing. In fact, the Darangan is longer than the Homer, which is the Odyssey, the big movie. Yeah, it's longer than that.
Already watched
Iliad and Odyssey.
Yeah, you watch the movie, yeah? So we have that also, local version. We call it Darangan. It is even longer. The stories is even
Where
longer
did you
than
find
Homer.
it?
Do we have a book ng Darangan?
There
Is
is.
it online?
No, but there
I
are
don't know how
20
much
volumes. Ganun kahaba siya.
Ah, really?
A lot of volumes.
Meron tayo sa...
I don't know if mayroon tayo sa mga library.
Oh, the
Kasi
Kasay
yung anak
office.
ko, loves the Odyssey, has read it. She has read it.
So here we have Darangan.
Yeah.
Even when we play the instrument.
How?
There's that stories that he traveled through clouds. And yes, it's just like
Even the Sarimanok.
Odyssey. Yeah, even the Sarimanok.
Oh, Sarimanok.
Yeah.
In the Rangan.
Which is popularized by AGC.
Yes.
Oo. Yeah, bukan 11:30 sa kape. Sa kape. Very quick lang yung kape. 11:30 hours kayo.
Ah.
These are good.
Yung signing sa ano, gusto ko makita yun. Sa yung sa taas pala yun, no?
So this is the
Hello.
director.
Hello.
Familia.
Yes,
Kasi
I'm
I've
Father
been
Rex.
trained with the National Museum and UAST for preserving the artifacts,
UST,
objects.
I'm from UST po.
Professor Bong Baybado.
Palagi ko 3 times. In 90s and early as 2000.
Sino archivist pong nagsasabi nito?
Si
Pare? O si, let me see.
yung medyo may ano yan? Medyo may edad na siya.
Rota.
Yan, that's it. Kamag-anak ko yun. Ay,
Si Clyde Hagoon ang kilala ko
Maybe
naman
why
sa
you
National
telling us the
Museum.
story, I think it's good to
that's good
see.
story.
Yes,
Good
yes.
story. So anyway, before you will leave, excuse me.
No, no, we want to see, so gusto mo maglakad as we go up?
Meron pa
Diyan.
bilan dito.
Or
Dito rin.
Tapos na dito.
We see to it
Wala
na
pa.
before you will leave,
Opo.
we will play the Kulitan Missing
Ah,
Ball.
sige, sige.
Gusto niyo mag-play na kami?
Mamaya na po.
Mamaya
Unahin
na.
natin.
Mamaya na kasi.
Mamaya na. Di na ulit tayo.
So,
Sige, thank you
ano
po.
pong training ninyo sa UST?
Anong pakita dito?
This
Itong history. Oh. Yan, ito one tour, no?
one tour is very
Yes.
popular version of that is Marawi.
When,
Anong years to?
Historically, this happened.
Battle of Marawi, 1891, second stage, 1640. Back to Iligan.
yes, the three Battle of the Marawi against the Spaniards and the Filipino.
Okay.
Marawi against the Spaniards in the
Yes, yes.
No, because the Spaniards used the Filipino,
Yes,
Against
yes.
us.
which they
Yes.
transplanted the hatred of the Muslims and the Moors in Spain.
Yeah.
So they used the Filipinos to also
In the
hate
north and
in the
south,
north,
yeah.
yes, divide and rule tactics,
Correct, correct.
which is a manifestation of the
Yes.
current what's happening in the
There's
barn.
a camp there.
Saan itong area na to
The
nangyari?
first sergeant who assigned here in
And that's
Spanish fort and then
Lake Lanao.
yes, Laglan.
Lake Lanao. Oh.
But how will they enter Lake Lanao kung lake siya? Kasi they come through the sea, right?
Yeah, they come to the sea, di ba may you have Iligan Sea.
Iligan
Iligan.
City.
Iligan is in
From there.
the
From there.
ocean.
Oh.
Yeah.
So they
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 come,
go
here.
up,
Okay.
yes. oo.
and then they met the Maranaos along
Yes.
Lake, yeah.
the lake na.
Yeah, yeah. This is the part of sa Maguindanao.
And they established their own fort. Was it a wooden fort or wood
Actually,
stone
it's
Sa
a
which
camp.
one?
camp nila?
Yeah, the
Spanish
Camp of America.
Sultan Kudarat.
Sultan
Kudarat. So there was that's a historical. So this, I think it's more na 1900s na na po.
I think nagana nila ito. This is the Orange Bridge.
Yeah.
Yeah, so ito po siya. Yes.
So there was trade.
So these are brass.
These are locally made.
Yes.
Locally made.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is like the centuries. Yeah. So ito yung mga influence ng Chinese, you know.
Yes, we have
And
the porcelain.
the story about this brass kasi, when the Maranaos would travel to Mecca to perform the Hajj, one of the fifth pillars of Islam,
Yes.
of course they would do by land. So what they do is when they travel, they become apprentice to certain communities, and later on when they went back to Lanao, they brought yung skills that they learned along the way. Kasi di ba, it takes siguro several months to reach Mecca. So what they do is they would stop over and do an employment, and after employment, apprentice with certain shop. Later on, the acquired skill later on when they came back, because they do the same thing,
Interesting.
they apply it. So they brought, different culture.
But this is interesting betel nut, because if you go to the Cordillera in our betel nut, and but it's different, pero may mga container ka.
Yeah, from Chinese.
Ano ba? No, this one is more elaborate.
Yes,
Ours
yeah.
is more wood. Yung
Is it
wood ba
because of
to?
the Chinese
Hindi.
influence?
Brass.
Is this because of the Chinese?
Chinese influence saka yung design niya, and you see
Yes.
But do you still have people?
Yes, a lot of
Yes,
people
yeah.
now. But
It's-
hindi na yung ginagamit yung ganyan.
Hindi,
Sana
yung
kasi mapili-
nagbe-betel nut.
Marami.
Yeah, marami.
Uso pa rin sa inyo.
Yes. But the problem is the spit of
Sa Bontok Lagawi, ganyan ang problema namin.
Yes.
Kaya Baguio,
Yes,
hindi
nakita namin
sure
rin.
na talaga pagka nagano ka, magbabayad ka.
Yes.
Ganun ba?
Hindi na yun sa bote na kadiriting
Plastic.
natin. Yeah.
Pero ako gusto kong bumili.
Saan?
At-
Basta ka man natin.
Kasi
Basa.
so these are the
Meron dyan.
harmonies and
Nakasabit din. Yung rubber.
Ready na.
Plastic.
Mga plastic na.
Yeah, this one right here.
Bangkaw.
Well-known weapon yan.
Oh.
Even other
use
tribes.
this with this
Oo.
the bigger it is, the better the higher it is.
Inilalabas si Pato pag high intro na.
Kampilan.
Yes, they carry it in the shirt para ito yung old replica.
Pagka nag-install kayo ng MSU President, anong symbol ang ginagamit ninyo? Because sa UST, pag nag-entron kami ng bagong rector, we have these two, nakalimutan ang pangalan, na talagang centuries old siya, na symbol ng kanyang power. Hindi nga niya hawak yun eh. May 2 tao na naghahawak kasi mabigat. Habang naglalakad.
Ano siya, parang scepter?
Yeah, scepter. That's the
Yes,
term.
yes, yes. No, I think we don't do that much because in your case kasi UST is
Yes,
the
yeah.
oldest university.
Catholic University pati.
But MSU was created in 1960, so it's pretty much modern in that sense. So it's an American.
Pero wala kayong, I'm sorry if the term, parang Islamic tradition of...
Mayroon din like people wear the traditional clothes.
I see.
And, yes.
That would
And
be
then
beautiful.
after that, there's pagana. There's the traditional food. Yeah. So we still do that.
By the way, we look forward to really having collaboration with you. I think kollega and yung ating...
Pag may through the isipa,
Yes.
each box.
Ito very interesting sa military eye. Sinong magaling mag-chess dito? Chess. Yung laro chess. Kasi ganun yung chess. Parang chessboard to eh.
Lahat po ata magagaling din sa chess eh. Player namin sa
Player. Oh, wow. Galing.
Wala kasi yung Bulang Island.
chess player ka pa, Father?
Habi lang. Ayan, no? Malaki nga, no?
Laki po sir. Papa niya.
Kasi para mag-fair doon kung doon sa mga kasama niya, mga best friend siya, kasunod din.
Oh, gusto mo sample? Para makita nila paano pag-play.
Hit that, tapos yes. Para yung size pang bata.
Abitin.
But this is young. They wear nice costumes.
Sige, we can have this one.
So, walang project to confirm sa mga doon, textile.
You want? We can have a drink.
Limited ang oras niyo?
Leave it at But anyway, we're looking for what to collaborate for. So, idea na. Sige.
Isti kami. Isti kami. Ah. Ay, siya din. Ay. May cousin. Sikan cousin ko. Yes, may mga warrior yan. Mamaya, ang primitive ng
Sige, sige.
Next up, Sir Vasco is ang DP of Dr. Sabia.
Oh, thank you.
Maraming salamat po. Yeah, Dr. Potre is a very good friend.
Wow, may cousin ha?
Yeah, let's take a photo with Ma'am para report natin kay Dr. Potre. Dr. Potre is an
Ito pamangkin namin ito. Likewise. Ay, likewise.
Parang kamukha nga niya. Si Dr. Potre is a member of URI but at the same time religious forces. And sa Manila, yung bahay niya sa
Taguig.
Taguig, yeah.
So, at saka si Sir Mike, di ba? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm his.
Pupunta kami.
Clearly si
Just meeting
Africa,
you.
Si Miss Gingon, Africa, si...
Yes. She used to be my boss when after
Your
after
idol.
graduating.
Really?
Yes, yes. And she was inviting me to join the URI, but I haven't. I did my MA outside the country, so I was.
Nung nawala kasi yung husband, medyo...
Yeah.
Yes,
Iba yung
nag-iba. But, Tess, Marites,
Yeah, Marites Gingon.
is a very,
With Ateneo.
very good friend din ni Dr. Potre.
Yes.
We used to work together in many ways, pero ngayon Dr. Potre is still active in the interreligious dialogue.
Yeah.
Kaya lang masyado siyang busy umuwi. Because nasa property nila. Anyway, ate
So actually, for information, she started her work here in Natural Museum as researcher.
Ah.
Oh, yes! Yan. Researcher siya dito.
Okay.
Oh.
Every time she talks about Marawi, she cries.
Yes, and part of the things that we do with Heidi and the Interfaith Group of Manila, and also at the Asian level, is also to keep on sounding off the experiences in Marawi through Dr. Potre. In whatever way it will lead that kind of advocacy, we don't know. But we always create that platform for Marawi experiences to be heard. Because ang reklamo niya, siya man nagsasabi na my complaint, and she would use the word complaint, is that nakalimutan na kami sa Marawi, and people are still suffering. She would speak about that. Yeah.
Okay. Hindi kami nakalimutan. It is the governance, the people working in the system
Nakalimot.
who are sick.
Mura siya
Eh.
Dr. Potre dyan.
Ano?
Parang Dr. Potre nga.
Kasin eh, kasin.
Hindi kami nakalimutan.
But I think it's interesting that we can
There's that
continue to
anger.
work together. Yes. And really, let's have picture dahil i-report namin
Kilala
kay...
niyo si Father Diambro?
Father Seb.
Yeah, oo, tsaka si Sister Lilian Corameng.
You know Sister Lilian Corameng?
She passed away, yeah.
Yes.
And in the 90s, when I was studying in UP, the reason I joined Interfaith Dialogue was because there's a discrimination toward the Muslims. So it's not just Interfaith Dialogue, but also to address ignorance and structural violence.
Kilala mo si Lilian. Lilian is an old
friend.
friend. FMM.
Yes, yeah. She was kind of strict when... Kasi pag...
Okay, let's have
we'll
Sige, sige.
catch up when we...
Saan niya ang gobernador ngayon?
You should take the sa Halika, Heidi. Nasa na sila.
Sige.
Ay, kapatid niyo sa kamera niya.
Sige. Okay. Sir, tulong ulit. Nagbi-video ako pero ganun lang para may picture. Yung puti lang.
Ito lang puti yan. Kasi ang going video yun. Puti lang po.
Yes. Nag-mission siya for quite some time.
Kabila siya. Si Father Sabin ko, kilala niyo mo.
Yes.
Sige, ready.
Father
Okay, ready? 1, 2. Okay.
Others with my staff.
Yeah, please.
With my staff.
Stop. Kasi July.
Kabahog, may classmate ako sa seminaryo dati. Max Kabahog. Kilala mo? Hindi nung kaklase ko, seminarista. Pero apelido niya Kabahog.
Halika, Father Rex. Father Rex.
Ah, sige. Ay.
Halika, direct ka.
Okay, ready? 1, 2. Okay.
Pwede tayo pag-debate regarding sa religion.
Huwag na, ma'am.
Thank you for dropping by. You have to write something. You have to write something.
I'll visit si Marita sa...
Ang book, dalhin na lang. The Book of Life. Oh.
Ito na, hawak ka.
Ay, kailangan ba daw magsulat? Halika na, ay.
Historical book yan.
For documentation.
For documentation, ayun.
Nice meeting you po. Sana mag-ano tayo, we'll talk more about the religion and meaning.
Sige, that's...
No charge, no worry, in Manila, I'll be there.
So ating Religious Freedom Conference, Heidi?
Invite me.
Yes, it's in November. This will be
yeah.
our 8th year during the Religious Freedom Forum. We invite people from different communities.
We should have MSC.
Ito. Isama dito.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Tell her I missed her.
Yeah.
And I'm so
Aldean.
grateful for the opportunity that she was very supportive.
She has become so spiritual that ang naging buhay niya is very, very slow. Magmula nung namatay ang kanyang husband. Yeah. Sometimes we meet, but in most cases, she would prefer to be
Private.
private. Very good person, ha? Kaibigan mo pala si Marites.
Yeah, because the husband was very supportive. Kasi when she started her cooking diary, it was very new.
Exactly. Picture mo yun. Akala ko picture. Hindi mo alam number mo?
Tingnan mo naman ang buhay
Ganyan
ngayon.
ka-busy si Ivy.
Pero sa kabisi. Yan ang Pilipino ngayon. I meet also a professor sa UST na yung medyo mahilig magsuot ng ano. Tapos, gwapo siya.